Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2015 Subaru Outback. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So you come over to the passenger side of the vehicle and you open your glove box. You have this actuator that lets it down slowly. You're just going to pull on this tab, just so pull it towards you, like that, so you don't break that. Then up in the top here, you've got two little butterfly clips that go outwards. So you're just going to put your hand in here and pull them in. Let that side pass. Here we go. Just got to really give it a good effort. And that comes right out the bottom hooks. So you've got two tabs here and two tabs there. You're going to squeeze them. Yeah, I can just use one hand. And I already squeezed that side. Pull the cover out. And here is your cabin air filter. Just pull it out gently because it has acorns in it, leaves. You don't want them to fall down into the blow motor. And there is your cabin air filter. Here we have our new cabin air filter from 1A Auto, and here we have the OE Subaru that we just took out. As you can see, it's overdue for it. They almost look identical. So the 1A Auto one is just as good as the factory. We have the flow line, so you can see it says arrow up. The one from 1A Auto says airflow, so that would mean the blow motor, the way it pushes the air up. They're the same diameter. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So now we're going to install the cabin air filter, and we're going to point the arrow with the airflow. And in this case, the airflow is coming from the outside vent and coming down. The blow motor is acting like a vacuum. So the indicators on our door here, arrows are up. So put it in the tabs. Lock all 4 tabs in. And now we're going to put the glove box back in. So I'm going to put it at an angle. And then I'm going to reach underneath here and hook those hooks in. So once I get the 2 butterflies in, I went at an angle, set it up. Now I have the hooks on the plastic down here. I'm just going to push it down. And then I'm going to hook up my actuator arm on the side. So I'll just pull down on that, put it right on that tab. Click it in, then we close it. Then we'll reopen it, make sure it goes down nice and slow. And there we have it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.